Good defense, nothing cheap. Got him, you got him. There you go, Cole. Go up strong. Go up strong, there you go. Way to go, Riley. Riley got it.
Good job, Riley.
Good pass, Tristan. Go, Riley. There you go. Try it, good hustle. Hey, good hustle, Jake.
Yeah, yeah. I thought he got fouled. There you go, Riley. Good job. Yeah. Good job.
You can get mint or you can get cherry. When you put mint and cherry together, they're kind of
That's Cardinal basketball right there. Cardinal basketball, ladies and gentlemen. What have we been talking about, Brad? All starts with defense.
That's where our offense comes from.
We ain't really had
going to me half-court possessions. Riley's got good transition last couple possessions. Oh, woo, you had it. There you go. Good hustle. Good hustle.
Deny, deny, deny. Give it up, Jake. Give it up. Give it up.
Yeah. Good hustle, Kendall. Don't step on him, Kendall. Somebody get on him, get on him. He knew he was going to try to reach in, that's why he did that. Get in there, get in there. Set it up, Tristan, set it up. Hey, it's okay to stop and pop. You know he's going to reach in. That's the first thing kids are going to try to do is reach in.
Shoot that, shoot that. Get in there. Shot. Way to go, Riley. Hey, that's good defense, Riley. It's okay. Get it, get it. He walked.
Yeah. That's the way we played today. I want to just put these guys away. That drive back to McLeod, they didn't remember what happened. Them other teams are all pumped. That's a travel. Nope.
Feed the big man, feed the big man. Feed the big man. Oh, a little lower, Jake, a little lower. He's getting hacked in there. That's okay.
A little lower past the Kendall. That was too high.
There you go. Almost got it.
Hands out, hands out.
You know, 31's been absolutely no factor in this game. You know what? We've been all over him. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm saying. You throw about 3 kids up at about 6 foot on him the whole game, he's going to wear down.
Post up and power post, 2 different things.
Deny, deny. There you go, Richard. Oh, we had that. Get the ball, guys. Come on. There you go, Tristan. Okay.
Let's go. That's good count.
Come on, guys. He did it. He walked. He walked.
Feed the big man. Feed the big man. I'm on Wade now. Come on. There you go, Jake. Look up court. Look up court. There you go. Good pass. Good job. Good job, Kendall. Nice pass, Jake.
I need somebody over here.
I think Jake pulled up because he's tired. Ah. Come on, guys. Get sloppy now. Get the ball.
Oh, turn a little fancy there, huh? There you go, way to get the rebound. That's really quiet.
Good pass. Good pass. Way to go, Kendall. Nice pass, Jake. Drive, draw, dish. I sound like Dick Vitale up here, don't I? I need to shut up. He's a 3D man. Drive, draw, dish. There you go. It's a block. Yeah, he's tired. Good job. Good job.
I wonder if they need any water.
Go, Jake. Kendall. Come on now. Watch what you're doing. You know, there was a couple possessions there where we got the steal and wasn't able to get it up. That happened so many times last time. But today it's not been as bad. Of course, that's why we look so much better. Get him on him, Atkins. Get on him. There you go. There you go. That dribbling ain't doing no good out there. He can dribble all night. Oh. Weak side rebound.